Welcome to our complete guide on how to hide someone from seeing a post on Facebook before you've posted it. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device to access the platform. Step 2. Tap on What's on your mind to create a new post. Step 3. Below your name, locate the audience selector, usually positioned near the post button. Step 4. Tap on Friends Accept from the audience options to customize who can view the post. Step 5. Select the specific friends you want to exclude from seeing the post. Step 6. Once you've made your selections, tap Done to confirm the audience settings. Step 7. Complete the process by tapping Post to share the post with the adjusted audience settings in place. By following these steps, you can proactively control the visibility of your posts on Facebook by excluding specific friends from seeing the post before it's shared. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to hide someone from seeing a post on Facebook before posting it. Enjoy the flexibility and privacy control over your posts by customizing the audience settings to suit your preferences, ensuring your content is shared selectively with your desired audience.